A major breakthrough against Pakistan's ISI-backed terror network. Batala police burst a Babbar Khalsa terror module operated by foreign-based handler Maninder Billa and Manu Agwan on the direction of Harinder Singh Rinda, arresting 6 operatives. I'm now joined by CNN News 18's Tejinder Singh Sodhi on this broadcast. Yes, Tejinder, give us more details.
Yes, this is a major breakthrough which have been achieved by the Punjab police for its fight against the ISI-backed terror network in Punjab. The Batala police has arrested 6 operatives of the Babbar Khalsa International who were working on the behest of the Babbar Khalsa International head Harvinder Singh Rinda, who is operating from abroad and giving instructions to carry out terror activities inside Punjab. This module was also responsible for carrying out a grenade attack outside a liquor vent in Batala a couple of months ago. The Punjab police DG says that the arrested accused were receiving direct instructions from Portugal-based Maninder Billa, who is a Babbar Khalsa International mastermind, Manu Agarwal's close associate. Manu Agarwal had recently taken over as the operational in charge of Babbar Khalsa International after Happy Passain was arrested in the USA. The police also says that Jatin Kumar was injured in exchange of fire while being taken for recovery. He opened fire on police and sustained injuries in retaliatory action and is admitted in civil hospital Batala. So there was an exchange of fire. A police case has already been registered and investigations have been underway. The police says that 130 bore pistol has been recovered. So a major breakthrough for Punjab police in its fight against the foreign-operated Babbar Khalsa International. Yes.
And also, what are the charges that has been slapped on the accused who have been arrested so far?
See, the accused have been charged under various sections of Arms Act because illegal weapons were recovered from them. They have also been booked under section of carrying out a grenade attack. The relevant sections have been imposed on them. They have been booked under an FIR at police station civil lines in Batala. So they have been charged under Bharatiya Nyay Sanhita and also the Unlawful Prevention Act. So various sections have been imposed on them for carrying illegal arms, attacking police personnel, firing at them, creating public disturbance. So these are the charges under which they have been booked. Yes.
Also, what do we know about the evidences and the proof that has so far been collected by the Punjab police that has led to this massive arrest?
These people were already, as I mentioned, that these people were already mentioned with their handlers who are based either in Portugal or in some other Western countries from where they were giving directions to them. Police had also checked the CCTV footage of the grenade attack that had taken place outside a liquor vent in Batala a couple of months ago. So one of the accused was clearly visible throwing the grenade at the liquor vent, and also the exchange of firing which took place today with an illegal 30-bore pistol were enough evidences for the police to arrest them. Further evidences are being collected, and they were also charge-sheeted in various other previous FIRs for creating disturbance in Punjab, for carrying out illegal anti-national activities across various regions of Punjab. Yes.
Also, Tejinder, just few days back, we have seen how the NIA also conducted several searches on about 15 locations linked to the banned, the Khalistani terrorist outfit, Babbar Khalsa International. So, was this a joint operation, or was this independently done? Busting this module was independently done by the Punjab police?
Various agencies are working across Punjab to ensure that the Khalistanis who are trying to instigate trouble in the border belt of Punjab, they are checked in. NIA has been carrying out raids. The SWAT team of the Punjab police has also been carrying out action. Various other agencies are carrying out action so as to weed out the entire Khalistani network from Punjab, which is operating on behest of Pakistan. Even this module, which was busted today, was working on behest of Pakistani intelligence agency ISI. So various agencies, including NIA and other independent other investigation agencies are working across Punjab. So this particular operation was the Punjab Police solo operation as per the Director General of Punjab Police. They had the inputs about the movement of these Babbar Khalsa International terrorist module in the Batala area. They were following them for a certain time, and today when they tried to nab them, one of the accused, who has been identified as Jatin Kumar, he started firing towards the police personnel, in which in the retaliatory fire he was injured and the module has been busted. So far Punjab Police is saying that this is their solo operation. But yes, the other agencies do keep on sharing inputs with each other. But so far, Punjab Police claims that this is their solo operation, yes.
All right. Many thanks, Tejinder, for getting us all those details of the busting of Babbar Khalsa International.
News18.com marches way ahead of the Times of India with 38% more users on native and social platforms. Network 18, the undisputed leader of news networks, way ahead of the Times.